Hi, I'm Selva Lakshmi. I'm the founder of Farms to Families. We are into manufacturing of 30 varieties of wellness batters and 50 plus millet products, which we cater to 500 apartments in Bangalore. 90% of our employees are women, and 90% of our customers are women too. So I have learned a lot from these women in the last 5 years. Um, my employees are my superstars, and no matter what, how hard the day is, they show up and they just get the work done, not just done but well done. So they deserve to be celebrated. So we took them to a resort for a 1 day trip, and it was a very fabulous day. I got to know them better, how well they dance and sing too. So on that note, I would like to wish a happy Women's Day to all the powerful women out there, and a special shout out to all the women entrepreneurs. Let's help each other to be more successful. Thank you.